What's up guys, back again. This is my channel. Today I'm going to review the gorgeous 2007 dainese Valentino Rossi replica boots. Again, this edition is 2007 boots, and now is 2025. So this been almost 20 years ago, and having this boot is very majestic for me. It's very proud and rare, because nowadays it's very hard to find. And the good things from these boots, it has the carbon fiber. They're very fancy, it's very nice. And this dainese leather protection made from the titanium. You can see it, the titanium. And this metal protection is the most expensive parts. Others dainese Valentino Rossi replica boots, those metal protection like I have here, this is the 2021. As you can see, these are cheap, only if I don't know, less than $50. But these, only these new pair, left and right, it will cost you $100 or $110. So quite fancy, these boots. And yeah, we can compare it. This is made from the leather, pure leather, and very soft. And even though this is old, this is the same way, with just same way like again, this is the 2021 boots. As you can see, these 2007 and these 2021 and now 2025, many years it been dainese still using the same technology, same material. And again, how do it open? Same way, same thing. As you can see, just zip it, and that's it. I'm not reviewing that boots, I focus on this, but this is just example. And nowadays there is no protection at the metal heel. It's again, starting 2009 boots or 2008 dainese Axial Pro in boots, it has this one, the metal protection, the heel, so when you crash, at least you are protection. But this is the 2007, either 2008, same way. So these are the last design before dainese adding this one into the boots. Okay, and what else I can try to share? Let me try to share. And it has this dainese logo, both left and right. Mine here is fade away. This is not a display, this is the one that I use. The one that I display is inside my room. I didn't carry it because few minutes ago I just ride with my bike. I wore this boot, so I'm kind of lazy to take the new one with tags inside my room, but at least you guys see. And same way, almost like the latest, it has this plastic heart, and this is elastic. You can bend it, move it with the leather. This is leather, guys. That is logo. DOC mean the doctor, R is the Rossi. And same way, it has carbon, even though it's round, so it's carbon fiber protection. And same way, if you see the even 2021, it has carbon too, but it's more wider and longer, whatever it is. But same old generation already like this. You can imagine 2007, a long time ago, the boots already like this. And these boots very light. I like this, just like worn sneakers, Nike, whatever. And again, how do I get open? So same way, same thing, just like open a banana skin. Same, just open here, off this one, then ta-da! Here we go. That's inside. My boots always clean. always take care of it. And again, even though this is the old generation, same way the carbon fiber already here, as you can see when I reviewing these boots, the 2021 inside, same way it has the carbon. Just have a look into my video. Okay, so at least you can see it. So all days everything just like plain and very more easier to open. It doesn't have like another double layers. The 2021, the one that I hold before, it has like a double layer, so it's more like thick and more tight, but it's good. And this size is 44. My size is 44. This is for use. And then what else? Well, that's all I can share with you guys, because the old dainese product, it doesn't has like another layer here. It just plain just like that. Well, 2007 guys, long time ago. It was a long time ago. So yep, that's it. And as you say, see, this is the ankle, so you can move freely. That's the one that I like from this boot. Compare with the Supertech, I don't like Supertech Alpine Stars. I like this boot. And we are talking about the good. And I'm sorry, these are the boots that are inside the suit. Okay, so he has velcro here. Okay, and he has velcro here. So this is the old generation, very old. It's only simple square like that and like that. If we compare with the new one, this is the latest of the Vale replica boots. It's more bigger. You can see it's totally different. It's more bigger, more wider, and they're adding here, and that's it. Okay, that's at least you can see the comparison. What's the difference? If you say what is the bad things, I don't see any bad things on or bad materials on this product. It's very awesome, very light boots. Again, just like wear sneakers, because usually when you wear a motorcycle gear for the boots, usually you will identic with weight, which is heavy or heavier. But this product, these boots, wow, awesome, it's totally light. So that's all my review. Thank you for watching. Hold on, what else I can share? I'm so sorry, this is autodidact review. I don't plan anything. I don't prepare for any words. Whatever what I said now, it just come out just like that, based on what I had or what I got while I wore these boots. Oh yeah, and this is the old one. As you can see, the bottom sole is different. This is the last model for the bottom sole. Very different with the this one, the 2001. This bottom sole already exists since 2009 edition, and again this is 2007. I do have the 2008 edition, and it's gonna be the same, I think, if I'm not wrong. And these are gonna be the last model, the last design for the bottom sole. Same way, same thing with the dainese logo there, because in the new one it has same as well. But as you can see, that's the difference. Okay, if you're asking which one more grip, this one, the 2009 until 2021 is more grip. The old one not very has a good grip on the bike, because as you can see, the line, it doesn't land. It's different with these. You can see a lot of lines, so at least those lines will make your foot stick on the foot peg. Okay guys, that's all my review. We got the bottom, we got the back, zippers, how the way it is. I show you already how to open it, how to strap it, And again, this is the boots that inside the suit. And this is the, I almost forgot to tell you, that's the last logo for dainese. Since 2008 and 2007, they don't use this logo anymore. Instead, they use this logo. Okay, no more like this. So this is a very very old. If you see this, maybe you say, hey, is that dainese boots fake? No, this is not fake, bro. This is the old boots. All boots, they use this logo. This is a very very like kind of first edition, I don't know whatsoever, the era that dainese used for the logo. Not fake, guys, not fake, bro. Okay, this is not fake, my gosh. Okay, this is the, again, this is dainese Valentino 2007 edition, the replica boots. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. See you again in my other video. Ciao.